A light magnitude 2.3 earthquake hit 13.7 kilometers, 9 miles, away from Piazza Armerina, Sicily, Italy, around noon of Wednesday, August 20, 2025 at 12:51 p.m. local time, GMT+2. The quake had a shallow depth of 46 kilometers, 29 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, EMSC after 6 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.